welcome to LNTG. Today we're opening Lycee Overture Amuse Soft. I think I saw this girl in some game I never played, but I kind of recognize her. Okay, first, our buy a box promo. I think it's like only in first printing you get like the sleeves and the promo. Yeah, it's kind of worse size. It's like you get like one per box, but still a promo. So we'll keep it. Okay, and let's start. Previously, I don't remember what set it was. I think I opened SP, if I'm not wrong. So let's see what we'll get today. If we get anything interesting. A lot of packs. Okay, our promo. No idea who it is. No idea what game it is. Just average Lycee or 2 openings then. Okay, let's start. Okay, this is one of those sets where all heroines are just standing. Well, sometimes it's just like that, uncommon. Well, okay, it's not just. Some of them have like more dynamic poses than others. Well, so it's not all bad. But otherwise, like, looks like another generic set. Oh well. Such is life. Oh, a golden ticket for anyone interested. If you scan the secure runner QR code, it will automatically input the code for you. If you're interested, I'm not bothering. It's for me just more simple, just to buy cards myself, and then just and kind of cheaper. If you want something special, you need like a lot of points. Like you need like to buy a case to get all the points. But yeah, I'm just getting some alternative cards, promos, and it's just easier to buy from you'd say. Okay, some cute art, but mostly nothing special. Okay, our first super rare. I'm just checking the number because like all those names. Rogu and worse, $1. Wow, they're so cheap. They're so cheap. It's not funny. Oh well. I think as I learned, the money is in Kira slot or getting SPs, but SPs getting is hard. But some cards in Kira slot can cost some good money. So uncommon, rare. So let's not just. Oh well, it's like run of the mill Lycee Overture set. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, we got a lottery card. You can like send it to just website in Japan, not website, address in Japan, and they'll give you stuff for it. And this one, yeah, Mika the God is $60. They're kind of priced only because you get the stuff for it, but otherwise it's not. They're not foil or anything, but still expensive to buy. I kind of hate it. Okay. So we got something special. And I'm afraid I kind of bought it already. I think I was like spending some money. I don't remember, so maybe it is. I will need to check it later. If not, I will be disappointed in myself, in my luck. I just bought it because it was cheap and I didn't expect to pull one. I will check later. It's one in one of the boxes I didn't open yet. Oh well. Wow, this like I don't know what game it is, but it looks gorgeous. Okay. Yeah, it looks like it's this. Okay, and yeah. But otherwise, like going nothing special. Okay, I think we've seen the comment slot. Okay, Super M. Super M is always nice. but they're kind of guaranteed. Suzaku in the temple, something, something. The foiling is nice, and yeah, it's $2. Well, kind of expensive. Well, if you can say that about Legend Super Rares. Comments. Well, this is what this girl is stacked. Huh? Flying robot. But otherwise, well, this looks cool. Not like I would buy an iron card with that. Okay, Super M. Kuja Koruri, less than 80 cents. Yeah, it's kind of weird. It's super and also cheap. Oh well, can't do anything about it. I'm just buying for fun and for chance to get something like that. It's kind of paid for the box unless I bought a card like that. I will check it after the video, and hopefully I'm wrong. But if it happens, it happens. Like, I wasted my luck on a legendary lottery card. Okay, okay, so like I think we should pull one more super rare. And we Kira rare unless that lottery card took our slot of Kira rare. Okay, focus. It's like my camera is drunk. Rare. And here's our Kira rare. It doesn't look it's expensive, but most of them are kind of sold out. Okay, 53. Saraga Mane, $4. Yeah, most of them are like sold out. So because they're not like super expensive, because like you can get one, but there is not much of them. Like if you buy a case with 16 boxes, you get like only 16 Kira rare cards, and yeah, some of them are more loose. It can cost some money, but this one's not. Okay, so at least it didn't take our slot for Super M, I presume. Okay, let's just. Okay, my piles is getting mixed. Okay, another Super M. Well, we get the 4 of them per box, so Shutago Shishigatani Yuo, what would the name? $1.50, and we got like 4. Wow, that's pretty great, good box overall. Some art is great, some art is good, some is maybe just generic. Okay, box number 2. Okay, same promo. Okay, we'll put it here. Okay, let's start. So we got lottery cards. Doesn't happen often. Really, they're kind of rare. Some from some sets they're really expensive. Okay, duplicate rare. So I'm happy I got it. Okay, common and commons. And duplicate super rare. Oh, that's not nice. Oh well, there are like 12 of them. So duplication. It's not an issue. Well, it's kind of sad we got a duplicate, but they're so cheap. Okay, this one is new. Oh no, it's not. Wow, it's the same we had before. It's like the first one we opened. Wow, that's a bad luck. 2 out of 4. Ooh, yikes. Okay, let's speed up. We just check the slot. uncommons. Okay, this one Suzaku in pink. Okay, it's not a duplicate. It's also one of the more expensive super rares, if you can say, $2. And yep. And like we found almost all the stuff we can get, so now we're just going through to see if we get anything spicy. A code for anyone who want to use. I know not many people use them, because even I don't use them, so why would people bother them with them? It's not like this Pokemon game where people use programs to scan videos and read the codes, but I like Pokemon, but the most cards would be interesting to me of Pokemon themselves. I like the trainers cards, but buying them, I can just buy them, but I don't want to because I spent already enough on other cards. Okay, rare silver, you get like 100 points per box. You get a lot of points if you play in tournaments, but you have to be in Japan. They previously had option to play with camera, but I think it's done already. Oh, it is. I don't follow tournament scene. Okay, just uncommon. So there is some duplications, rares. It's a lot of. There is no duplication box, but there is duplication if you buy multiple. Okay, so the most interesting was in the beginning, but it's gone now. Okay. I'm gonna spend sorting. Okay, we're still missing Kirare. It should be any moment now. Well, not in this box. Pack. Okay, 3 packs. Okay, super rare. This is not a duplicate. It's nice. White egg-red Mayuri. $1.50. Not bad. So uncommons. Okay, so in one of the packs will be Kirare. Kirare is like an expensive slot. Okay, this art I think will be more expensive than others, because it's more spicy. 75. Yeah, Shijo Rinka, $14. But yeah, I'm surprised they're sold out. Well, this set is kind of old, or not. Well, there is new set already came out, so it's just in transit for now. So yeah, and the last pack. Yeah, nothing. Oh, this vampire. I think she's a vampire. I'm not sure. And that's it. Like, I have a lottery card. I will check later if I after the video if I have. Well, 2 duplicate rares, super rares. I can live with that. So we got like a couple of nice looking cards. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.